Continuous casting is a technically advanced production method for round, square and flat bars. Heat treatment optimizes the material's properties for the different end uses. The mechanical process sheds at Hein house 50 machines covering a very wide range of operations, including sawing, turning, drilling, milling and honing. GP maintains an extensive stock of continuous and chill cast products in the most common dimensions. These inventories can also be accessed quickly in the GP online shop and are immediately ready for shipment. Hein serves customers in all fields of mechanical engineering. Here, for example, GP continuous cast parts for forklifts, round continuous cast core components for vacuum pumps, square GP continuous castings for hydraulic control blocks,